You did.
Yay!
This is what happens when the tire gets a hole. What? It tickles. Right on.
Hold on. Every time you build up pressure. Go for it.
Wait, where is it? Okay.
That'd be a fun police siren. Okay, now it's laughing. Is that a UFO?
Huh?
Sounds like a UFO.
It's better with this one.
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
Sounds like a dog.
It's crying! You made the doggy cry! I'll slap you. Slap.
Come on! Yeah, so weird. It sounds like the balloons.
I know! Well, I want a balloon right now. But you can't have this much fun with a balloon.
No, you get not.
Because they don't hold out as much air.
Aw.
There it is. What are you, a DJ?
It sounds like I'm trying to... Yeah, it's...
Yeah, you're like moving your finger as if you were a DJ.
Okay.